Hey, so hello again. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to host our own website on AWS EC2 machine. So in the previous video, I have added the link in the description. I have already created an EC. I have showed to how to create an EC2 machine and connect with the Putty software. So now I'll just this is currently stopped, and I will just start the instance EC2 instance, and now I'll connect with the Putty. So in the Putty, I have already saved the credentials. So that is my session, and I'll just open it. So it is connecting me to my EC2 machine. So I will just accept it. I'll go on full screen. So I will. My username is EC2 user. That is the default. And now I have been logged in to my EC2 machine. So this is hello folder that I already made in the last video. So now we will just copy our folder, that is this folder that I already made, and this build version, and I will try to run it on a EC2 machine. So firstly we will create a new folder, so that will be for our website. We'll, and now we will cd into it, so cd website, and now we are into the folder. Now we will copy our data into this folder. Okay, so now in order to copy the files to our EC2 machine, we will just open command prompt, and we will use this command. So here we will just paste our path to our ppk that file. Now that our ppk file is here, YouTube one. So we will just copy it as path, and now I'll go to the terminal window, and I will just paste it here. Now I will paste my path to which files I want to copy. So I will be copying my this folder files. So it is in the documents, and I go here with share notebook, and here the build folder. So I will just copy this path, and I will just paste it here. So after pasting, I will add a slash and star. Star means I will copy all the files. So my username is EC2 user, and IP address I need to check here. So I will copy this IP address. This is public IP4 address, and I will paste it here. EC2 IP. I will paste it here. Now I have pasted the IP address. Now I need to specify the folder. So folder, we recently, you remember, we created a folder named website. I'll hit enter. So it has now started copying all the files. So it has successfully copied all the file, and now let's check in our putty that I will just do ls. So it says all the files are here. So now what we need to do is copy all these files in the var folder. So I will just go to the root directory. I'll do ls, and I will do a cd var. So now I am going to install the Apache server. So for that I will type sudo yum install sy, and then I will type HTTPD. This has started downloading the packages, and now I completed the download. Okay, so we are in the website folder, and now if I do ls, it shows all the file that we copied from our local system into the EC2 machine. So now we need to copy all these files to the HTML folder of the Apache. So let's do that. And before that, we will just start our server. Write sudo systemctl, and we'll just start, and HTTPD. So it has started our. So now, as we know, in our website folder, we have all our files that we copied from our local system. So if I do ls, we can see all those files. Now we need to move this file to the HTML folder of our Apache. So for that, we will do sudo mv, and Okay, we will go a step back. So we'll do cd dot dot. So in this folder we have website folder. Now for this we will do sudo because we require root privileges. Then we will do a mv and website website slash star because we want to copy all the files inside the website folder, and we'll copy this to slash where slash www slash html. I will hit enter. So now we have successfully moved our all the files to uh, that html folder. Now we'll check it slash html, hit enter. Now we'll do ls and we can see that we have successfully copied all the files. Okay, so after that we are just going to restart our Apache server. For that we will write system ctl and restart and HTTPD. Hit enter. This is our public IP address, and if I just hit enter, it shows our login page. That was the page in our application. So in the next video, I'll show how to integrate it with the backend using AWS Lambda. That will make our full stack application work. That is our one stack application work. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.